Hey YouTube, so today guys, we have kind of an update video regarding that Super Smash Bros. Leak here. So this is information that has been a rumor recently, and I want to cover it because obviously that main video did very well, so I guess people are pretty interested in the topic here. So here's some information about that leaker, the guy who did it. Basically, Nintendo has identified the leaker. Yes, the guy who indeed released these videos is definitely been caught. He's been caught. He's no longer, people know who he is now. The leaker has been fired and is being sued. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. He was an employee of NOAA, which is Nintendo of America, who was sending materials to the ESRB. Basically, the ESRB is a company that rates video games, like EMT, E10, stuff like that. It says the leaker still has a copy of Super Smash Bros. 3DS in his possession. So now that he's released from the company, some people may believe that, he's going to start releasing more information about the game to get back at the company. Well, no. The reason why he wouldn't do that is because he's getting sued. So if you release even more information, you get even more legal trouble. So even though he's been fired and he has a copy, I don't think any more information from this guy will be leaked. Final piece of information we have here is that he also has one of the 3DS systems used for internal ratings. I'm not entirely sure what that means. Maybe it means the SRB. I'm not entirely sure what that means by internal ratings, but it's definitely not. I mean, a guy like this probably shouldn't have that anymore. Hopefully they confiscate it from him. But for now, that's all the news we have for today. Don't know if it's true. This is just a rumor for now. I feel bad for the guy. I mean, I don't know if it was on purpose. I don't know why he did it. I guess he wanted to maybe create some PR. Maybe it was a PR stunt. He thought it would. Maybe he thought that the results would have been different. I don't think he expected Nintendo to sue him for this. But in the end, stupidity never pays off in the end. So hopefully, guys, enjoyed that video. Thank you. Bye.